Hello, just give it a few seconds here.
They did a lot for just a few hours. What? I'll leave it.
Wait. All right. Hey, Tim. We're at our property right now. We're just doing a little walkthrough. We made some progress today, and so we're documenting that progress via live stream. So thanks for joining in. Damon just walked outside. I don't know why. But going into the weekend, all of this behind us was sheetrocked up. So let me just pan the phone around. So this is basically demolition that was done in just one day today. With the ceiling, the walls. This contractor is actually making progress, so that's very good. If you don't know, we fired a contractor because 4 months into the project, he still hasn't done anything but take down a couple of walls. There was a wall right here. I don't know if you can see that. There was a wall right here going into the kitchen area, and now I'm in the dining room. But this is our property that's located in Lakewood. This, just to the other side of where this wall is going to be the master suite. And then, of course, there's our lovely fireplace. I think we're just going to leave that as it is because it looks so wonderful already. Just kidding. So this is our master, where the master is going to be. We're actually going to take this wall out. This wall actually goes out onto the porch and expand the master out. It's probably going to be about twice as wide as it is now. And then we'll take this wall over here, which is on the driveway side of the house, and push it all the way out so that it has a square corner. The house doesn't have a square corner right now. But yeah, all the demolition you see, aside from the walls that have been completely removed, all the sheetrock that's missing is done today by our new contractor, so we're really excited. Can't really see anything in there, but it's a second bathroom. I'm going up these spiral old-fashioned stairs to this property. These are all going to be swapped out. The steps are not evenly sized, and they don't really allow the spiral steps anymore like that. So we have to take them out and replace them. So I don't really see a whole lot that's been done on the top floor now. But I'm sure tomorrow it'll be a lot more done. So that is the dumpster. And that dumpster, what you see in it is just from work that was done by the contractor and his crew today. So that's our walkthrough of the property. Thank you. Oh yeah, Tim, thanks. Stairs are still dope. They're so, let me just pan down on the stairs so you can see. They are old fashioned. I don't know if you can see this spiral corner, but over on one side there's barely any step at all. The Facebook live stream made me turn my phone around. Let's do that. There we go. All right. So we bought this property in April of this year to do some renovations on, and I'll continue to just kind of pan around a little bit. So our first contractor we hired, we gave him about $5,000 to start off with, and he just kind of has become totally unresponsive. So we're trying to collect money back from him. In the meantime, we've had another contractor that actually called us yesterday to ask if he could start when we haven't given him any money or anything like that so far. So far so good with the new contractor. I'm really excited to see progress on the house after sitting on it for 4 months. Can't wait till this is finished and all the square foot is added that we'll have. Hey Audrey, thanks for joining. You kind of got it at the tail end, but let me just show you the backyard. It looks like it's ruins now, but maybe you can see that there's potential there. And we're gonna do something really nice with this backyard to help sell the property in a couple months once we're done. But see this, whoever had this property before really had some, had done some work in it at some point in time in the past. You could tell from the remnants of what remains, it was once a very beautiful backyard. That metal fence is going to be taken down and replaced with a 6-foot privacy fence. There's going to be a deck back here. So, all right. Hey Audrey. Thanks everyone. I just wanted to do a quick walkthrough to see the work that had been completed for the first time. I'm gonna start doing more videos like this periodically on the property, and Damon will probably do some too. So what is this, Tim? If I had my license, I would do the electrical work for you, but I've got a couple years until then. Well, that's just sad for now, but hey, in the meantime, you know that we'll keep you busy when you get your license. All right, so long for now. Let me know if you have any questions, just reach out to me. And as always, if you want to start doing some of what we do, just always let us know. Just let us know and talk to us about it, and we'll give you some insight. Thanks, Audrey. You have a good day too. Bye.